Ready to discover the Bali tourists never see? Let's fly in 4K through emerald jungles to waterfalls so hidden, locals guard them like secrets. Starting at Tukad Cepung, the cave waterfall where sunlight pierces through the rock ceiling in golden beams, illuminating the cascade like nature's own spotlight. And you wade through a narrow canyon just to reach the amphitheater where water and light perform their daily magic show. Trek north to Sekumpul, Bali's tallest waterfall at 80 meters, where twin cascades thunder down a jungle cliff. Mist rises like smoke through the canopy. And the hike down 300 steps through rice terraces and river crossings makes the reward taste sweeter. Push deeper into the jungle to Tibumana, the intimate waterfall where a single powerful stream drops into a turquoise pool surrounded by ferns and moss-covered rocks. So peaceful you can hear the jungle breathe between the water's roar. Then discover Canto Lampo, the staircase waterfall where water flows over tiered rock ledges like a natural fountain, creating dozens of mini cascades perfect for that Instagram shot where you stand in the flow with arms wide and face to the sky. Venture to Teganungan, the accessible giant just 30 minutes from Ubud, where the Patanu River plunges 15 meters into a wide basin. Rainbows form in the spray at midday, and viewing platforms let you feel the thunder without getting soaked. Then find Aling Aling, the adventure waterfall where you can cliff jump from 5 to 15 meters into deep pools, slide down natural rock chutes, and swim behind the curtain of falling water into hidden grottos. What makes Bali's waterfalls unforgettable isn't just the water, it's the textures. The cool mist on your face at Sekumpul, the smooth volcanic rock under your feet at Canto Lampo, the echo of water inside Tukad Cepung's cave, the electric chill of the plunge pool at Tibumana, the jungle chorus of cicadas and birds at Aling Aling, and that perfect moment when you realize you found paradise off the beaten path. If these mind-blowing hidden waterfalls in Bali just jumped onto your bucket list, tap like, tell me which one you're visiting first, and subscribe to Birdseye Travel for more narrated, cinematic 4K journeys from above, where Bali looks truly unreal. Thank you for watching.